AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a custom cut-to-length station with an unwind assembly and a rewind station, all contained in an interlocked safety enclosure. The unit has a color touch screen for easy setup and operation. The roll of material is loaded onto a cantilever unwind. From the unwind, the material goes under a dancer assembly. Material is pulled into the cut-to-length station. The knife then precisely cuts material to specified lengths. Cut product is taken up by a rewind. A backup roller holds the material in place during the rewinding. The air shaft holds the core in place. The core is removed simply by deflating the shaft. All components are mounted on a common base plate and contained in an interlocked safety enclosure. Please give us a call to discuss your application.